But methods can actually do more than that. And very, very commonly, we don't want a method to necessarily do something on our behalf. Instead, we want a method to perform an operation and allow us to decide how we want to deal with the result. For example, add numbers currently prints out to the console. Imagine for a moment that addition was a very, very complicated algorithm that required hundreds and hundreds of lines of code. And at the end of this addition, all we do is we print out the result to the user. That might seem pretty good right now. That's what we want. But what if we wanted to take the result of doing this very complicated 100-line addition and we wanted to do something else with it? What if we wanted to do something else with it depending on where we're calling it from? Maybe in one case we want to print it to the user, and in another case we want to write it to a file or send it over a network or something like that. We want to be in control of how the result of add numbers gets back to the user. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the output from here. We no longer want the output to be inside of our method. Instead, I need to find a way to give the result of add numbers back to the user. We do this with returns.